I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I tell you more about how to get views on YouTube using tags. Now, in my previous video on how to get more views on YouTube, more subscribers, some tips and strategies that I gave, I will put the thumbnail right here on the screen and put a link to the video up in the cards above and the description box down below so you can check it out before you watch this video and it'll make more sense. I talked about tags, titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and you all loved it and asked that I do more videos like this showing you tips and strategies that I use to grow on YouTube. Now, in terms of tags, I got a few questions about that in the comment section, so I just want to tell you about how I use tags to grow here on YouTube and why they are very, very important, and give you some tools to use and resources so that you can use for yourself and use them to put tags in your videos and tags in your description section. Now, the reason that tags are so important, as I mentioned in the previous video, tags give the algorithm a, I guess you could say, place to put your video in. So for example, if I'm making a video about cars, then if I use tags such as cars, best cars for 2020 to buy, or anything like that, the algorithm now knows to show my video to people or an audience that is interested in cars. So it's not going to show my video to people who are interested in makeup. It's not going to show a car video to people who are interested in hair or beauty or games. It's going to show my video to people who are interested in just that, cars. So tags are very, very important. They are not the most important thing, but they are quite important if the algorithm is going to know where to place your videos. So I usually put my tags, as you know, in the description section all the way towards the bottom. I'll show you right here on the screen. And I put them in the place where it says tags. I'll show you some snapshots here. When you are uploading a video on YouTube, there is a place when you go all the way down where it says, I believe, more options or advanced options, and when you click on it, it has a bunch of tags. Now, the tags that are already there, those are like default tags, so I usually get rid of all of those tags that are already there, and I put tags that are appropriate to the video. So for example, the video that I did on gaining more subscribers and more views here on YouTube, the tags that I use, I'm going to show you right here. These are the tags that I use, put in the description section all the way at the bottom, as well as in the tag section, and that helped YouTube to see who to show this video to or who is interested in this video. And it's going to be the same with this video that I am now filming that you guys are going to see. I'm going to put tags that are appropriate to the video. I never use tags that are like popular or tags that don't have anything to do with my video, because then if a viewer is interested in a specific topic, and let's say they go on the search engine and they type in that topic, so let's say they're interested in cooking and they type in a cooking video, and let's say I use cooking tags on a car video, my video could pop up and the person will watch the video and it'll have nothing to do with the video. So if I'm making a video about cars and a person is interested in knowing more about cooking and my video pops up because of the tags that I use, it kind of like clickbaited the person, if you will, and now the person is going to be uninterested in the video and I'll probably get a mean comment. That's just an example. So just always remember to use tags that are appropriate to your video. I always use tags that are appropriate to my video and what I talk about in my video. Tags are just as important all together with your thumbnail, your title, and your description box. So that's why I always make sure to fill up the tag section. I believe it allows 500 characters. I always fill it up to the max. I do not leave any space for anything. I always fill it up, or very, very close. I think sometimes I've gotten to like 497. I always fill it up to the max. So that's just something for you to know. Now, some resources or tools that I always use are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. I love to use TubeBuddy because TubeBuddy gives me tags to use that are appropriate for the video. So I'll show you my TubeBuddy right here. When I put in a search term using TubeBuddy, it always gives you tags right here on the bottom right side of the page. It shows you tags to use, and I usually always use those tags. Sometimes I swap a few of those tags out. That's when I use vidIQ. It also has a place where I can, you know, put in different tags, or tags sometimes that are going to be more relevant to whatever it is that I am talking about. So for example, for this video, tags that I will also include are like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, because I'm also talking about how to use TubeBuddy and how to use vidIQ here in this video. So all of that is pertinent to this video. So I will sometimes swap out some of the tags that TubeBuddy gives me and put in extra tags, such as how to use vidIQ or how to use TubeBuddy. And I find that also helps. You can get tags from different sources. You can get them from other people's videos. You can also get them from a place, I think it's called Best Keywords to Use. I'll put a few other places that you can get tags from in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. It's gonna say resources to get tags for your videos. Make sure you check it out. Those are a few places that I get tags in addition to TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Those are free resources as well, so you don't have to worry about paying anything for them. And they also help me in swapping out some of my tags sometimes that TubeBuddy may give me. So TubeBuddy generates tags for me, and sometimes I swap them out depending on what else is included in the video that I want to put in as a tag. I hope that this video helped. I know a few of you also wanted to know about how I do my thumbnails, so I will make the next video about how I do my thumbnails here on YouTube. Keep in mind, I'm also still learning about thumbnails, but I can show you some apps and ways that I do my thumbnails when I do my thumbnails here on YouTube. That is it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I usually throw in an additional video throughout the week. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you have any other questions about tags? Check out the description box. That's usually where I link all the resources and information. And I will check you all out very, very soon. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I'll see you. Bye.